Does Islam promote violence and terrorism? It's been talked about on TV many times. I would like to present this case with 13 words. Islam does not support terrorism. Islam is a religion of peace and submission and stresses on the sanctity of human life. A verse in the Quran, chapter 5, verse 32, states that anyone who saves one life, it is as if he has saved the whole mankind. And anyone who has killed one another person, except in lieu of murder or mischief on earth, it is as if he has killed the whole mankind. Islam condemns all violences which happened in the Crusades in Spain, World War II, or by the act of people like Reverend James Jones, David Crochet, Dr. Golden Smith, or the atrocities committed in Bosnia by the Christian Serb. Anyone who is doing violence is not practicing his religion at that time. However, sometimes violence is a human response of oppressed people, as it happens in Palestine. There is a lot of terrorism and violence in areas where there is no Muslim presence. For example, what's happening or what had happened in Ireland, in South Africa, in Latin America, and in Sri Lanka. Sometimes the violence is due to a struggle between those who have with those who do not have, or between those who are oppressed with those who are oppressors. We need to find out why people become terrorists. Unfortunately, the Palestinians who are doing violence are called terrorists, but not the armed Israeli settlers when they do the same thing even against their own people, as it turned out to be in Oklahoma City in US bombing. Sometimes the Muslims are prematurely blamed even if the terrorism is committed by non-Muslims. Finally, sometimes those who want peace and those who oppose peace can be of the same religion. Thank you.